Hey, what's up? It's KD, and welcome to my show, What's Growing On? So today, we're gonna play with some bananas. So did you know that if you leave banana peels out in the sun for 2 days and let them dry out, you can actually use them as vitamins for your plants? So don't throw away those banana peels. Okay, so here is our banana peels that were just taken out of the oven after they cooled down. And you can hear the noise that they make. That lets you know they are really crispy and ready to go. So we take these and we break them in here. I already have some inside of the bowl, and we're just going to mash these up. Until you get them the size that you want. Here's a little look as to how the banana peels turned into like a dirt. Voila. You can see here. It's like dirt. Now we have plant food, or as I like to call it, banana dirt. So with this, you just take this and put this around the stem of your plants. And watch how fast and strong your plants grow once you've applied this and you've started watering your plants with this banana dirt around your plants. So don't throw away those banana peels. Well, that was fun. I bet you didn't know you can do all that with banana peels. If you like this, wait till you see what I have next. Stay tuned to What's Growing On. Don't forget to subscribe.